Hello, second graders. Welcome to our phonics lesson. Today is Monday, and Tilly and Lola are going to be helping me today. They really like when I pull out the magnetic letters because they like to knock them on the floor and play with them. So I'm going to try really hard to not let Tilly do that. But today we're going to learn about word parts. You know many words, and you know a lot about letters, and you know a lot about how letters stand for sounds. So I want you to listen to this word, track. Track. T-R-A-C-K. Now I'm going to move these a little bit to make a space. What do you notice about the first part of this word? It begins with the letter T, right? And then it has the letter R, and it makes the tr sound. It has two consonant letters, two blue consonant letters. These consonants are the first part of the word, tr. What do you notice about the last part of the word? The last part of the word is the letters A-C-K, which stands for the sounds ack. Say ack. Ack. What do you notice about the kind of letter that starts the last part? The last part of a word starts with a vowel. And in this case, it's the letter A, which makes the ah sound. The last part of a word usually has other letters after the vowel. In this case, it's the letter C and the letter K, which makes the k sound. Give me 1 second. Tilly is messing with my garbage. Keep looking at that word track. All right, now I'm going to build another word. Okay, I just built the word stack. If you were going to break this word into the first part and the second part, where would you break up the word? We would break up the word right after the ST. Right after the ST, st. Now, what do you notice about the first letter of the last part of the word? It starts with a vowel, the letter A, that's a vowel. Now, let's see, I'm going to build another word, and this word is going to also end with A-C-K. So I'm going to start with ack. Let's see. How about, ooh, I like this word. All right, so I just built another word, and if you look at this word, what do you notice about it? What do you notice about it compared to the first two words? The last part of the word is the same, isn't it? So how could we read this word? We know it ends with ack, we know it rhymes with track and stack. What do we need to do? We just have to sound out the first part, right? Well, what does the QU make? Qua, ack, Put it together, it's the word quack. Make a quacking sound. Do you know what a quack sounds like? It sounds like the sound a duck makes, right? Quack, quack. Now, let's look at one more word here. Let's do this word. Alright, now if you take a look so far, what do you notice about this word? This word ends the same as these words, right? How could we use that knowledge to help us figure out how to read this word? What do we know it ends with? We know it ends with ack. Now this is a little tricky. This word is actually knack. The K is silent. But if you were trying to sound it out, you might say knack. This word is knack. So what you guys are going to be doing today is you're going to be sorting words on Seesaw by the last parts of the words. So you're going to highlight the last part. Now if we were going to do that with these, I would take my highlighter and I would highlight the last part. So starting with the vowel, boom, boom, boom. You're going to be highlighting the last part of the word, and then you're going to be sorting the words into groups so that they end the same. So each group, each column will be words, and they all will end the same. And then you're going to read those words using the microphone to me. Don't forget to do that part. Reading the words is really great practice. Alrighty, don't forget to go to Seesaw and do your activity. Thanks for coming to the mini lesson.